Myself, Dr. Satvi Singh. I'm working as Associate Professor at IKG, Punjab Technical University, Kapurthala. I have developed the website meant for online direct admissions 2021 and 22. With the help of similar videos, I will keep on guiding you how to proceed with taking admission in IKG PTU main campus or its other constituent campuses. If you are seeking admission in Punjab, then do subscribe to this channel so that you can get the latest information and updates about the admission process. On the behalf of Punjab government, IKG PTU is conducting centralized counseling admission in engineering, architecture, pharmacy, management, and other degree courses running in IKG PTU Kapurthala, MRS PTU Bathinda, and Punjab Agriculture University Ludhiana and their affiliated colleges. In the first two rounds of centralized counseling, the reservation policy will be applicable as per Punjab government rules. However, all the reserved seats will be made open in the later stages of direct admission counselings. IKG PTU will conduct centralized counseling admission at ptuadmissions.nic.in. The link of the website is given in the description box below. IKG PTU is running various degree courses in engineering, sciences, management, and architecture, etc. on its main campus and other constituent campuses. After two rounds of centralized counseling, online direct admissions will be conducted through website campuses.ptu.ac.in. The link of the website is given in the description box below. Until the actual process of admission does not start at IKG PTU Kapurthala, you can complete the process of pre-registration at campuses.ptu.ac.in. There is no pre-registration fees applicable for now. Through this pre-registration process, we will get your contact details to share latest information and updates about the admission process. Please be assured we respect your privacy. University will not share your data with anybody at any cost. Now let us start with the live demonstration about how to complete the process of pre-registration for admissions 2021-22. Open any browser. I am using Google Chrome. In the address bar, write campuses.ptu.ac.in. Click register. Select degree. I am selecting BTech. Pre-registration for admission 2021-22. Enter your number. I am entering my WhatsApp number. You can refer it for any clarification at later stage. Your login credential is sent by SMS on this number. Now I need to complete my registration process by using the login credential that is sent to me on my WhatsApp number, on my number. Login. Enter the mobile number 8427680001 and the password I have received and login. Now you can go to data. Type father's name, mother's name, mobile number. This is my second mobile number. You can also refer to this if it is required at later stage. Email ID, your address, name of the city, enter the PIN, district, click on update details. Your details has been updated successfully. Okay. If it does not show, just click on data, you will get all this. Then go to data, select the date of birth, select gender, type the nationality, select the category, I am selecting SC, enter the Aadhaar card number, enter the percentage of marks, board or the university from where you passed out. If you have appeared in JEE exam or GATE examination, then you can enter the roll number. Otherwise, you can say NA also. JEE exam at later stage, you can update it to some, say, Punjab state, other states, depending on your domicile certificate. Update admission data. Done successfully. click on the data, you'll get all this. Then upload. For now, just click your passport size photograph, open. If you have 10+2 scorecard, you can upload it by selecting this one. You need to upload only JPG or PNG image files. These are not to be uploaded for now. You can upload it at later stage also. I've just uploaded two things. One is the image of PP size photograph. The another is the image of the 10+2 scorecard. Photo uploaded, DMC uploaded. And these are the photographs that I have uploaded. Then go to fourth choice. From main campus, I am filtering out some of the degree courses of BTech. And even further, you can go for filtering the department name. There are 60 seats in BTech Electronics and Communication Engineering. 3 seats are in the category of tuition fee waiver. That is only for the Punjab domicile students. Okay, add choice. Choice is added successfully. Similarly, you can have more choices. For example, civil engineering, computer science and engineering, or electrical engineering, and add choices. Choices will be added successfully. Now you have 4 choices. If you are not willing to apply for any of the degree program, you can select and delete. That choice will be deleted successfully. Now you may be interested in giving preference to one of the degree. You can select and move that choice upwards. Now click print. This is your application form that you can finally submit if you lock it. Otherwise, this is a pre-registration process. You can check all the details that you have filled over here, the document that you have uploaded over here, the documents those are pending to be uploaded, and the preference order that is you have already specified. And I hope you got the idea how to do the pre-registration. We'll let you know how to complete the process of actual registration as and when university starts the admission process.